For most of human history, money was heavy. Coins made of copper, silver, and iron, carried in sacks, counted by weight. Trade was slow and dangerous. Then, more than 1,000 years ago, one civilization changed money forever. In ancient China, trade was booming. Markets expanded. Cities grew. But money became a problem. Merchants had to carry thousands of metal coins, often tied together with strings. Transporting wealth meant physical exhaustion and constant risk of theft. Something lighter was needed. Something faster. During the Tang dynasty, merchants began using paper certificates instead of coins. They called it flying money. Later, under the Song dynasty, the government stepped in. Using paper and printing technology, China issued the world's first official printed currency, Jiaoji. For the first time in history, money was no longer metal. It was trust printed on paper. Printed money changed everything. Trade accelerated. Governments gained power. And the idea of money became abstract. Centuries later, this same idea would lead to banks, credit cards, and even digital currency. Modern money didn't begin in Europe. It began in ancient China, when coins became too heavy to carry.